The Y and Z covers are assembled in the reverse order to which they were dismantled. Start by assembling the upper bellow cover. Use an electric screwdriver with a clutch setting of 2 to secure the screws. Fully extend the Y-axis, then assemble the dynamic cover. Secure the screws using the same clutch 2 setting. Assemble the static cover. Take care to ensure it is properly aligned. And then secure the screws. Lift the lower bellow and secure the screws in place.